Oh my gosh, this is getting crazy, guys. This right here just came in not even an hour ago. This is something that everybody has been dying for. This, guys, is Japan Historics 3. It's been an epic 8 calendar days as far as receiving stuff at the store. And we capped off the week right here with some amazingness. The quality of this is sick. Here we go. Japan Historics 3, guys. We're going to go 2 by 2. There are 2 models in this that have never been done before. There is one model of this that's only been done once. So here we go. The first 2 cars in Japan Historics 3 are the bright orange times 2. There's 2 sets per case. There's 10 cars. It's 2 5-car sets. Here is a super good look at the Honda City Turbo. Check that out. It's got an R, I'm assuming for Honda Racing, on the back of the Turbo 2. In the windshield it says City Turbo 2, number 11. Very cool, guys. That is the first car out of the box of Japan Historics. The next car out of the box of Japan Historics is the Nissan Silvia CSP 311. This car right here has only been done one other time, and it's been in a set that has been very hard to find. We haven't even received ours yet. It's the Fast and Furious Rewind. I know it's on some stores, but I haven't seen it around here yet. Anyways, this is the second time they've done this Silvia CSP 311. I think you guys are going to dig this car. Here's a nice, very nice view of it. Very cool. I love it. The next 2 cars in the case, to my knowledge, this is the first premium Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30 that they've done. They did a silhouette of this that was similar but different because it was a silhouette. But here's a nice look at the Skyline KDR 30. I like the wheel combo on this particular car. It says RS Turbo on the door. Man, this is not what we were expecting today, to be honest, but we love it. We've gotten a lot of great stuff in the past 8 days. Here we go. Here's another extreme highlight of the case. This has never been done before. This is the Datsun Sunny Truck B120. Bright yellow, lowered to the ground. It's got the wheel well flares on it. Very attractively colored. Oh, sweet, look at that. In the truck bed there, it's got like some tools. I can't tell exactly what that is, but it's got some nice little detail in the truck bed there. Again, the first time this car has come out, the Sunny Truck is going to be hot forever. People are going to like this one. Very cool. There's 2 of those per case. And then also the very last car in the case has never been done before. So they're bringing out some very new castings for you guys for Japan Historics 3. Check that bad boy out. This is the 68 Mazda Cosmo Sport. Super cool. Again, this is going to be popular. It's got the louvers on the right behind the front wheel there. It's got the tail lights that look hot. Man, this case is awesome. You just never know. You just never know when these things are going to hit, but there you go, guys. There's the first look. Hot off the truck. Japan Historics 3. Give you a top-down view of the case. Hope you guys are having fun this month. It's been amazing so far. Hopefully it continues. Thank you again. It's Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck. See you guys again soon.